Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Marlon O Bennett. The question was, if you could think of one good reason why you would like to start your own business or make money working from home, right? What would it be? What would that reason be, guys? Okay, so let's talk about it, right? Because here's what the purpose of this video is, right? It is your why, right? And you see, I got why over here highlighted in yellow, right? It's your why and your passion of your why that will enable you to get to where it is you want to be, right? Now, I want you guys to ask yourself this question because only you can answer it. What is your why, right? What is your why? Is it just to maybe spend more time with friends and family, right? Time freedom. Is it because you have a brother or a sister or a parent or someone that you want to be able to take care of or take more care of, right? Is it just you're tired of just trading all of your time for hourly wages and salaries? What is it, right? What is your why, right? Because when you determine what your why is, then we can show you guys how to get what it is that you want. Okay, so the question was, if you could think of one good reason, because that's all it takes, guys, why you would like to start your own business or make money working from home, we can show you how. Okay, but you have to identify with the why. Okay, so guys, hold tight. I'm going to talk a little bit more about your why and how we can help you get to what it is you want.